You gotta talk to him, man.
I have to talk to him. Hey, Murphy. Hey, buddy.
That's not their language. It's ooh.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 Murphy.
Hey everyone, welcome to Tigner Adventures. We are here in Portland, Oregon with our friends Todd and Ann. You've met them in previous videos. We also have some friends, Mark and Shelly, that are here, so you'll see them here and there a little bit. But we are at the, if we can put this up here high enough, we are at the Bigfoot Museum. So they have proof. Bigfoot exists.
Yes, and all over the United States.
Yeah, so we got to check this out and see if it's true, and then see what you guys think. See if you know, does Bigfoot exist?
And it's in Boring, Oregon.
Oh yeah.
That's why this is so exciting.
Boring, Oregon. So that's actually a guy's last name. It's named after this guy, and the town is called Boring, Oregon. So it's just south of Portland, kind of south or southeast. I don't know. We're kind of lost our directions around here, but anyway, kind of interesting area, so we're going to check out the museum. All right, we are going to go inside and get some tickets. So the admission is $8 for general admission or $6 for seniors. And this is the gift shop they have here before we enter the actual museum. Interesting sketches of Bigfoot. How about a few stickers?
Yeah, these are awesome. So this one, I think.
Or you can go with magnets.
That's a super interesting one. They have a research team, and
There's some more magnets.
They even have like hunters and stuff. They're trying to like if you have questions, ask away, please.
Here we go, into the museum. Oh, greeted with Bigfoot. That looks like a Bigfoot.
Turn him on.
You gotta talk to him, man.
I have to talk to him. Hey, Murphy. Hey, buddy.
That's not their language. It's ooh.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 Murphy.
Anyway, this is telling a story about Bigfoot and the natives around here. So you can see here that Sasquatches, Bigfoots, whatever, have been sighted throughout the whole continent, different areas. And down here at the bottom are the different regions that's up there on the map and what the actual names are of the spottings, I guess you'd say. You can find a footprint, it must exist. No, I'm asking you, I mean...
Oh. I don't know, my dad recorded recordings that they were talking between ridges at the cabin one night.
Really?
Yeah.
So something, right? Must be something out there.
Something.
So they have all this historic evidence that Bigfoot does exist.
The people were in the house. They saw him pushing on the door like, "Hi!" He said that and had a look of boyish curiosity on its face.
Oh.
I mean, he's trying to get in the house.
Yeah.
And they're holding him back. That's a go.
I would freak out if I saw a big hairy man that talks.
Well, he wasn't talking. He was just like the door.
Here's some real video of
Yeah.
Bigfoot just walking past you
Fall
there.
down, scary.
All the footprints.
Not very long ago.
Someone made some footprints and tried to tell people that it was Bigfoot. A lot of people trying to fake Bigfoot and get notoriety for it. But this guy, Matt Moneymaker, that's an interesting name, founder of BFRO, says that if you want to be an expert in real Bigfoot evidence, you have to be an expert in fake Bigfoot evidence. Botox implant. Yeah, pretty cool. A little bit of everything here. Makes you wonder. So this is a nest site in the Olympic National Park, the Olympic Peninsula. Looks like people spend a lot of time trying to prove Bigfoot exists.
In 2020. You think this is a long time ago, but it's not. It's happening all the time. It's a face smudge.
Smell me, I stink. And I'm guessing they don't take baths very much. So the question is, if Bigfoot really exists, why don't they come out? Show people more. Instead of sneaking around.
Well, most likely, that could be your first Bigfoot encounter.
Interesting pictures of Bigfoot here.
But I want it to climb out again so we can see how.
This video is really hard to tell what's back there in the middle of the screen, but they're saying that they think it's a Bigfoot sighting.
I want to wait.
Yeah, don't know.
I'm waiting.
Oh, wow, look at me. Well, no wonder I look like Bigfoot. Now we know where the problem is. Thermal imaging. I guess we're hot boys.
Well, at least we're live, right?
Yeah, at least we're live.
That's an indicator.
This Bigfoot stepped on a mattress, sitting outside. Oh, you gotta love this one. This is the video room.
This time, instead of diving deeply into a piece of evidence, we are going to dive deeply into the evidence uncovered by one man. We're going to focus on this gentleman because he is a pioneer and his name has been smeared unnecessarily for too long. We are talking about Paul Freeman.
There we go.
Paul Freeman was born in the way backwoods of Missouri. He grew up tracking, hunting.
I don't know, so is there enough compelling evidence here to make you believe in Bigfoot? Is there really something out there? Yeah. A lot of different movies. Okay, we are done visiting the center. I had fun in boring Oregon. What's that one say? I break for Sasquatch. Good job. Kind of quiet back there, Todd. So anyway, we that finishes this. It's kind of interesting. So, question is,
Believe.
do you believe? Yeah, do you believe?
Now that's where you do the close encounter, not close. What's the show? David Duchovny. X-Files. That's where you do the X-Files. Thank you. X-Files sound. Yeah.
Yeah. So anyway, it was a lot of fun. It was interesting. Interesting things. What would you do if you actually ran into one?
Be scared.
Be scared. They got some pretty ugly pictures. Yeah. Yeah. Well, you know, if you remember back. Now we're older, so we do remember the Harry and the Hendersons.
Yeah.
That was pretty funny.
That was pretty funny. That was a nice Sasquatch. So when you look at these, it's kind of like, if I seen the one in Harry and the Hendersons, I'd probably be okay. But if I seen the ones that are here, I'm pretty sure I wouldn't be okay. So anyway.
It's kind of like meeting a gorilla.
Well, thanks for coming along with us on this little adventure today. And we'll just say our goodbyes. And we'll be catching up with Todd and Ann and other friends in Yuma in about a month and a half. But for now, we're going to say goodbye to everybody. So we'll see you guys down the road. And if not, then on our next video. So take care.
Bye.